deep, authoritative maritime flow between the Mediterranean and the Black Sea, physically anchoring the connection between Europe and Asia. This geographic advantage supports a massive industrial manufacturing sector and the glass and steel infrastructure of Istanbul's primary business districts. These modern hubs are surrounded by the ancient landscapes of central Anatolia and the Mediterranean coast, creating a high-demand environment for the remote workforce. To manage this influx, the Turkish Ministry of Culture and Tourism has recently codified a specific, data-driven legal residency track for digital nomads. Travelers now face a choice between maintaining a transient, short-term presence or committing to the requirements of a long-term legal foothold. We can use a specific evaluation framework to find the correct path, mapping your options based strictly on your passport power and your verifiable net income. Navigating this environment requires treating the relocation as a financial and bureaucratic calculation rather than a standard travel experience. Entry requirements begin with your passport origin. Citizens of the US, UK, Canada, and the EU currently receive visa-free privileges for stays up to 90 days. Other major profiles, such as Indian nationals with existing US, UK, or Schengen visas, can utilize a streamlined e-visa system before they depart. These 90-day entries are purely for tourism. They do not allow you to open local bank accounts or sign long-term residential leases. This table compares those short-term limits against the 2026 Nomad pathway, which is the legal standard for those seeking a renewable residency. Qualifying for this residency requires proving net monthly earnings of exactly $3,000 USD from foreign sources, totaling $36,000 annually. You must back these earnings with verified corporate contracts, a clean criminal record, and active local health insurance. This $36,000 threshold acts as a filter, distinguishing early-stage freelancers from established professionals who can meet the state's financial criteria. Meeting that income floor creates significant purchasing power leverage. Because Turkey's internal logistics and agricultural sectors are domestic, those earning USD or euros extract a high-value exchange. This arbitrage exists because of the Turkish lira's current depreciation against the major global reserve currencies. In practice, this means a traditional multi-course gourmet kebab platter costs between $4 and $9 USD in most urban centers. Daily expenses, from public transport to the ubiquitous tea culture, remain consistently low for foreign currency earners. However, this math only works for remote earners. Local corporate wages are highly compressed by currency inflation, making local employment economically unfeasible for most expats. You also have to factor in localized property premiums, which can quickly erode your currency advantage in specific metropolitan areas. Monthly rent for furnished flats in regional hubs like Fethiye ranges from $350 to $550. In central Istanbul districts like Beşiktaş, that same apartment can exceed $1,350, plus mandatory maintenance fees. While your food and transport costs are low, failing to model your housing costs correctly will neutralize the savings from your foreign income. Operational success depends on connectivity. Turkey's urban centers have seen a rapid rollout of high-speed fiber and expanding satellite internet grids to support technical consulting work. The time zone is ideal for those managing European or Asian contracts, though builders working with US-based clients will face a nocturnal schedule. Regarding personal safety, Turkey ranks well globally across its major provinces. Serious crime targeting the foreign community is statistically rare, allowing solo nomads to navigate metropolitan areas late at night with relative peace of mind. Safety primarily requires situational awareness in crowded areas like the Grand Bazaar, where opportunistic pickpocketing remains the most common hazard. You should also avoid unvetted street taxis. Utilizing registered tracking apps like Uber or Bitaxi ensures transparent pricing and route monitoring. Major cities provide a functional, high-safety environment if you use local digital tools to manage your logistics. Turkey operates as a two-tiered base, offering different logistical realities depending on your income level and legal status. This profile scorecard can help you determine where your current finances align with Turkey's regulations. The local integrator seeking a Turkish job will find the economic reality difficult. Local wage compression makes this path the least viable for expats. Earning under $3,000 a month makes the 90-day opportunist route the most practical choice, utilizing the standard visa-free window. But the transcontinental builder, netting over $36,000 annually, is the target for the new Nomad visa, unlocking long-term residency and lifestyle upgrades. If your income meets that threshold, the Ministry of Culture and Tourism portal provides the necessary steps to verify your documentation. Turkey offers a unique combination of deep history and modern utility for the remote workforce. Your success here depends on whether your current income and legal profile align with the state's data-driven residency requirements.